Good morning, our viewers in YouTube. This is my friend engineer Daniel with me. We will teach you how to put a hard disk in your NVR CCTV cabinet. First, you buy your hard disk so that you can put your hard disk inside your NVR. So, second we do is to get your screwdriver to unscrew your screw. So now Daniel will teach you how to unscrew the screw. First you find the screw so that you will know how to unscrew the screw. Now when you unscrew the screw, you open the NVR so that you will see the inside of your NVR. Voila! We have to count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Open. Oh, very good, very good, very good. Now, as you can see, the NVR is empty of hard disk. Now you show the hard disk, my friend, so that they can see the real picture of the hard disk. First is to get the plastic of the hard disk and the mud powder. And now, as you can see, the hard disk is in the hands of Daniel. We will put it in the NVR so that you know how to put it. First is you get the cable of hard disk, and as you can see, he is doubting because there is no screw.
What is screw? Sige.
As you can see, no? We have no screw. We first put the cable, and later we will problem the screw.
Ba't galit ko ano? Isa?
And now we have another problem.
Another problem.
We have no data cable for the hard disk. We have only power. So, we will go back to find the data cable. Thank you for following us. And this is Henry, and this is my friend Daniel. And we would like to thank you also our cameraman, Gerald Bautista, and our another audience, Engineer Junisa. Subscribe us in YouTube, and we always privilege to teach you how to insert or all other items.
Please bow. Please bow.
Thank you.